Hello there, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can make $100 per day using Google Maps. Now let's jump into my screen.
You're welcome to my screen. So what is going to happen is I will go over to Google and we'll search for a random business in any city of your choice. Then when we search for it, we'll click on more and we'll see different type of businesses. So we look for the ones that do not have a website. Look at this one has a website, this one has a website. Then we look for the ones that do not have a website like this one. Then we click and we'll find a way to contact them. So there's the chat box and there is call. You can choose anyone you want, but I'm going with chat. Quickly chat them and send them a pre-written message just like this. Once you have created a message and sent them, they are going to get back to you, and you can go over to social media to look for a somebody who's going to do the scale, like a web designer, or you can decide to go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelance website where you can go search for web design, look at people that are doing it for $50, $100, $70. Then you can bargain with these people. You can charge the business owner $200 or $300. Then after paying the freelancer, you get to keep the remaining profit of $100 or more.